Y'all welcome back to Roadhouse. Happy Saturday to y'all. First video after Hurricane Ida. We fared very well. Thank God for that. Anyway, we'll do a little cook on the Lone Star Grillz Offset today. Got some Prime Sirloin Steaks. I will be hitting them with a little Uncle Steve's original shake. So y'all come down here and check out what we're working with. And we're just gonna hit these with a little bit of this Uncle Steve's, just like that. Just a decent little coat, mash it in there. And we'll get all the edges and get the other side. So y'all stick around and I'll meet y'all out by the grill. Alright, we got all this seasoned up. Looking good. We'll let these marinate for a few minutes. Got a couple of sweet potatoes too, y'all. Pretty decent size, so just popped a few slits in them things. We're gonna wrap them in foil and put them on the grill, let them go too. Okay, we got the sweet potatoes on the top right. Runs a little bit hotter than the bottom one. We'll let them go a little while. We're on about 260, and we'll let these go a little bit, and then we'll get the steaks ready to go. Potatoes been going about 30 minutes. Oh yeah, feeling good. We're gonna put our steaks over here. We're gonna bring these up to about 118 degrees or so, and then we're gonna turn around and we're gonna reverse sear them over here on the firebox grate. So we'll let these go a little bit and we'll come back and check them, guys. We'll be back. I wanted to show y'all, I did pull my fire management basket out, a little bit bigger logs, and smoking with pecan wood today. So we rocking and rolling. Let's check our sweet potatoes. Oh yeah, I'm getting there, y'all. I did flip the steaks one time, about 100 degrees there. 111. 100. Smallest course cooking a little faster. 123. We'll leave that dude right back there. Alright, we'll let these go about another 10. And we're going to pull them off. We're going to do that reverse sear. Alright, it's time. I'm finna do a reverse sear on these bad boys. There's one. There's two. 3, 4, that's hot, y'all. 5 boxes rolling, man. The little ones ain't gonna take long. Alright, get these finished up, I'll meet y'all inside. Steak's been resting for about 15 minutes. Looks nice, huh y'all? Look at that little reverse searage. Alright, we're gonna get the small ones out of the way there. Look at that, man, nice and juicy. And I pulled them, I let them rest, and they were like 135. So let's just cut one down the middle here. Let's see how we did. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, look at that. Nice, huh? Look at that juice. What? Alright, let's get a little bite here. Oh man, that is just perfect. Perfect. Alright, y'all. Come up here, let's try this. Cheers to you, gang. Oh, that's good. I like a good sirloin. You see that smoke ring on it. I did pecan wood there. And that pecan gives it a nice flavor, y'all, with the Uncle Steve's original shake. And for my sweet potato, y'all come check this out. I am going to use some butter and some Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake on my sweet potato. So we've got our sweet potato opened up and got some butter on it, and we're going to hit it with that Uncle Steve's sweet dessert shake, y'all. Just a good little amount there. That's good stuff, man. Y'all go check out Uncle Steve and UncleSteveShake.com and get y'all some of that delicious rubs he's got. Let's get a bite of that sweet potato. What y'all think about that? Cheers to you, gang. Oh my goodness. Y'all, that's so good it just ain't right. I ain't lying to you, man. That is so good. Well, Steve, thank you for the mail call today. Brother, I appreciate it, man. But y'all really go check out Uncle Steve, man, UncleSteveShake.com. Go check out Lone Star Grillz, LoneStarGrills.com. We'll get one more bite of that. That's really good. Alright, gang, we're going to get out of here. Thank y'all for stopping by again. Y'all have a great rest of your weekend, and we'll see y'all next time. Bye-bye.